In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your hidden emails on your Gmail account using your personal computer or desktop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have been sent an email but you can't find it in your primary, neither can you find it under promotion or social or even update, then you need to take the next step. But first, go ahead and check them through promotion, social, and updates inbox. However, should you find none, then you need to go ahead and check the spam inbox. Some of the emails might be sent to spam if they are flagged as being malicious, and most likely the mailing system from the center was not properly set up. So to get the emails, go to your inbox and then you should see this option for more. If you tap on more, now you should see we have spam here. Currently, if I tap on spam, you can see we have already 2 emails available in my spam inbox, and the first email is the one I've been looking for. So I can go ahead and tap on it here to open it. And now from here, to restore this email to your inbox where you can easily find it, go ahead and tap on report not spam. So if you tap on it, your email will be sent to your main inbox, and you can see the spam box has now only 1. So if I go to my main inbox here and scroll down, you can see the email is available here. So depending on the date when the email was sent, go ahead and check against all the other emails, and once you have found it, you can tap on it and you should find the same email here. So that's how you can find hidden emails on your Google account using your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.